I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at how to change the batteries on the Target Ghost Projector Halloween bucket. So this is a really cool little bucket on Halloween. Like, kids can put their candy in it. Got upside down right now, but it has this little projector on the bottom that shines a ghost onto the ground. And if it's been sitting for a while or your kids have used it a lot, it may run out of batteries. And luckily, it's pretty easy to change them next Halloween. So all we're gonna do, we need a small screwdriver. We're gonna go ahead, I started it already, just to get us going, but we're gonna take this screw off here to open the bottom compartment. So let's take that all the way out. And then we can remove that, and you can see we've got these button cell batteries. It can be a little bit tricky to get them out of there, so we're just gonna kind of dig those out with this, or you can use your finger, try to get those batteries out of there. Perfect, so we got rid of these, and then you're looking for what's called an AG13 button cell. And you can get these usually at the pharmacy or the supermarket. You can buy them on Amazon. And we're gonna go ahead and just put these in. We're gonna face the flat side towards the back. And we're just gonna line up all three in there. So we got 1, 2, and then again, you're probably gonna have to give it a little bit of a push to get that last one in. So let's go ahead and test it. Great, it's working now. So now let's put this back on. And then I'm just gonna reverse the process here. Make sure this is seated in there nicely. And then we're going to use our small screwdriver to attach that back in. You wanna make sure always that you screw this all the way in, because you don't want your kids to be able to open this, since the batteries could be a choking hazard. So you got that. Again, also make sure to dispose of the old batteries well. And then we're gonna go ahead and switch it on, and let's test it out. Indeed, it's projecting our ghost, and we are good to go for Halloween, or just for playing with this.